Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to curl your hair with a straightener. Either grab a scrunchie or you can use clippers, and I'm going to start parting my hair. I brush my hair with my hands, or you can use a comb. So this is the straightener I've been using for years, since I was in high school. I usually heat it up to just 300. I use it at that temperature so I don't damage my hair. I start right down here. I just twist this over, and I twist the straightener as well. And then you just go down. And that's how you get your first curl. I usually don't like them this tight. I did it slow right now, so the faster that you do it, the looser the curl is. Also, you don't want to do all of them the same way, so I'm going to do the opposite of what I've been doing. I'm just going to put the hair on the other side of the straightener, and it's the same process. You just go down. And I just put them back when I'm done, and I start on this side. When I'm done with this bottom half of my hair, I just take it out of the bun. And then I secure it with a clip. How it's looking so far. Same thing, just part your hair again. Up here is when I start getting closer to the root, just because these are going to be more noticeable than the ones from the bottom. So this is what it looks like at the end. That's how you do your curls in less than a couple minutes. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!